In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks, how to change the amount of a memorized transaction. If you use memorized or recurring transactions in QuickBooks, keeping the amount updated is important so future entries stay accurate and reflect your current pricing or billing needs. The good news is that changing the amount on an existing recurring transaction template is a quick process once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to find the template, make the update, and save the change correctly. To begin, go to the top right corner of QuickBooks and click the gear icon, which is your settings menu. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the tools and lists you'll use to manage your account. Once the menu opens, look under the Lists column and select Recurring Transactions. This will take you to the area where all of your saved recurring or memorized transaction templates are stored. On the Recurring Transactions page, you'll see a list of templates. Take a moment to locate the one you want to modify. If you have several templates set up, it helps to carefully check the name so you update the correct one. Once you've found it, move over to the Action column on the far right side of that row and click Edit. This opens the template so you can make changes to the details that will be used going forward. After the template opens, scroll down until you reach the table that contains the line items. This section includes the fields that control what appears on the transaction, including the amount being charged. In that table, update the amount or rate column depending on how the template is structured. Make sure the number you enter is correct, since this updated value will be applied to future transactions created from this template. Before saving, it's a good idea to quickly review the edited line item to confirm the change looks right. Even a small typo in the amount can affect invoices, expenses, or other recurring entries, so this quick check can save time later. Once everything looks good, go to the bottom right corner and click Save Template. That final step updates the recurring transaction template with your new amount, and that's it. Your memorized transaction amount has now been changed in QuickBooks, and future uses of that template will reflect the updated value.